Good day, students. Today, we want to solve problem on integration involving positive and negative boundaries. It also comes out in external exams, on internal examinations. Let's listen attentively. We are given the integral of 2x plus 1 squared dx with the boundary from -1 to 1. Let's open this bracket. Integral of 2x plus 1 squared dx from -1 to 1 equals integral from -1 to 1, and let's open this bracket. 2x plus 1 multiplied by 2x plus 1 dx now equals to, now let's multiply and eliminate the bracket. -1 to 1, 2x times 2x, that is 4x squared. 4x squared. 4x squared. 2x times 1 plus 2x. 1 plus 1 times 2x plus 2x plus 1 times 1 plus 1. Now close the bracket. Dx equals to -1 to 1. Brackets, open bracket, 4x squared. 4x squared, 2x plus 2x, that is plus 4x plus 1 dx. Okay, when you get to this point, we follow this formula of integration that says when you're having x raised power n, will now be x raised power n plus 1 over, repeat what's at the power, put it at the numerator, over n plus 1. Okay, want to apply that formula. Now let's start. 4x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1. 4x raised to power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, followed by plus 4x raised to power 1 plus 1. There's 1 here, plus another 1 over 1 plus 1. When you are integrating a constant like 1, it will give you 1x. And 1x is same as x. When you're having, if you're having 2 as a constant here, when you're integrating 2, it will give you 2x. Okay? But when you're differentiating a constant like 1, 2, 3, and so on, it will give you 0. Differentiation of a constant numbers, like numbers, they are 0. But when you're integrating a constant, it will add x to it. Okay? Like this one now, it will be integration of this constant 1, it will be 1x. But you don't need to put 1 there, but you put plus x. Okay? You now put the boundary here. Before the boundary, put your constants c as a constant. Okay? Now the boundary from -1 to 1. Okay? Now from here, you now have v to be equals to 4x raised to power 3 over 3 plus 4x squared over 2 plus x plus c. From this c is very important, but it will still cancel out, -1 to 1. Okay? Now, what you need to do is to impute your value into x. Now I have this one, don't forget this one will be 2 here 1, 2 here 2. You now have 4 over 3. Instead of writing x, you put 1 into x. 1 raised to power 3. The next one plus 2, open bracket, 1 squared plus 1 plus c minus, open brackets, repeat the same thing for -1. We have finished with 1. Let's impute -1 into x. 4 over 3 minus 1 cube plus 2 into minus 1 squared plus minus 1 plus c plus minus 1 plus minus 1 plus c. Okay, close your bracket. You now have it to be equals to 4 over 3 times 1 cube. 1 cube is same thing as 1. As is 1 raised to power 3. That's 4 over 3 plus 1 squared is 1 times 2. That's 2 plus 1 plus c. Minus this minus 1 cube. Minus 1 raised to power 3 is minus 1. Okay, and let's put minus time over minus 4 over 3. That is when you have negative 1 raised to power 3 is minus 1 times 4 over 3. That's minus 4 over 3. Minus 1 squared is 1. Negative and negative turn to positive. The reason why this minus 1 raised to power 3 is minus 1 is when you have minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1 will give you 1. 1 times minus 1 will give you minus 1. But the second one, minus 1 times minus 1 will give you positive 1. Okay, positive 1 times 2 will give you plus 2. And this minus negative and positive will give you negative 1 plus c. Okay, now let's open this bracket. You're having 4 over 3. 2 plus 1, that's 3 plus 3 plus c. We want to see how this constant cancel out. Is that okay? Now, negative times negative will give you positive plus 4 over 3. Negative times 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus negative times 1, that's minus 1 minus c. Okay, now this plus c cancel minus c. Okay, now you now have our expression. Now our expression goes thus. Our expression goes thus. 4 over 3 plus 4 over 3. 3 minus 1. Let me just write it. Plus 3 minus 1 equals 4 over 3 plus 4 over 3 plus 2 over 1. Now let's find the LCM. LCM is 3. 3 goes in 3. That's a 1. 1 times 4, 4. Plus 3 goes in 3, 1. 1 times 4, 4. 1 goes in 3, 3. 3 times 2, 6. Okay. From here, 4 plus 4, that's 8. 8 plus 6, 14. That's 14 over 3. Now, how many times can 3 goes in 14? That's 4. Whole number 2 over 3. Okay. Consider the constant cancel out at this point. That's the integration of this expression. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.